This is What's for Dinner, and tonight we're having jalapeno poppers. And your ingredients, you want to start out with original cream cheese, traditional cut bacon, pepper jack cheese, and the longest, firmest jalapeno peppers you can find. You want to start by cutting them through the stem, leaving the stem exposed into halves. And leaving the stem on there looks better for presentation and also works as a handle. Make a little slit at the top through the core, and that make it just a little bit easier to core out with a spoon. Next, you're going to want to sit out your cream cheese for at least 30 to 60 minutes until it's room temperature. And if it's still cold to touch, it's not ready to mix. I would leave it out for 60 minutes. I was being an idiot. You want to grate whatever your choice of cheese. We went with pepper jack cheese, and I used just a little over a half a block, which is 16 ounces. Next, you're going to want to take a cookie sheet and line it with foil to catch all your bacon drippings and grease. And I like to use racks. That way the bacon underneath can still get crispy, and they also won't stick to the pan. And after you have your cheese all mixed up, you're going to want to stuff your peppers. And that's why the message down there, because after you stuff your peppers and then when you wrap them with bacon, it will take a while for your oven to preheat. And it'll take a while for you to actually get them together. And you also don't want to overstuff them because they will blow up on you in the oven. I'm going to go just above the halfway mark. This is what they look like when they're all stuffed and wrapped up with bacon. And it does take a little while. We use 10 jalapenos. And of course, when you have them, it turns into 20.
Oh yeah. Smell the bacon. She smells the bacon.
And after 30 minutes, this is what they'll look like when they're all done. And you can see that I already took a bite from one. And quality control, we gotta do a taste test. This is where you make a creepy face. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.